A sea of challenges. Engineering for the ocean depths. Designing and deploying cables that can survive, let alone thrive, in the harsh conditions of the ocean floor is no easy feat. These cables must endure the most extreme environments on Earth. Engineers must account for immense water pressure that can crush ordinary objects, fluctuating temperatures that can vary drastically, and the corrosive effects of salt water, which can deteriorate materials over time. Add to this the constant threat of damage from fishing trawlers, anchors, and even shark bites, which can cause significant disruptions, and you begin to grasp the complexity of the task. The underwater environment is a dynamic and challenging place. This is where the ingenuity of underwater AI cable design shines. These advanced designs are a testament to human innovation. The cables are engineered with multiple layers of protection, each serving a specific purpose, including a tough polyethylene sheath that provides a robust outer layer, a steel wire armor layer that adds strength and durability, and a copper or aluminum tube for waterproofing, ensuring the cables remain functional even in the wettest conditions. The AI component further enhances this resilience, providing real-time monitoring and adaptive responses, enabling the cables to adapt and respond to their environment in ways never before possible. This technology represents a significant leap forward in underwater engineering. Section 5. The future is connected underwater AI and the expansion of global communication. As we become increasingly reliant on a fast and reliable internet, the importance of underwater AI cables will only continue to grow. These cables are not just conduits for data, they are the backbone of our digital infrastructure, ensuring seamless connectivity across the globe. They are the invisible threads that weave together our digitally connected world, and their ongoing development promises exciting possibilities. From enhancing data transfer speeds to providing more secure connections, the advancements in underwater AI technology are truly groundbreaking. Imagine a future where these intelligent cables facilitate the expansion of the internet to even the most remote corners of the globe, bridging the digital divide and unlocking new opportunities for education, healthcare, and economic development. This could lead to unprecedented levels of global collaboration and innovation. With their ability to learn, adapt, and self-heal, underwater AI cables have the potential to revolutionize global communication as we know it. These smart cables could autonomously detect and repair faults, ensuring uninterrupted service and reducing maintenance costs significantly.